The present simple tense. B. Listening.
I'm not an engineer. I'm not. I'm not an engineer. Is he from New Zealand? Is he from? Is he from New Zealand? No, he isn't. No, he isn't. How are they? How are they? They're hot. They're hot. They aren't from Vietnam. They aren't from. They aren't from Vietnam. Are you at work? Are you at work? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. She isn't angry. She isn't angry. Where is he from? Where is he? Where is he from? He's from New Zealand. He's from New Zealand. Are you hot? Are you hot? No, we aren't. No, we aren't. Are you from Italy? Are you from? Are you from Italy? No, we aren't. No, we aren't. Where are they from? Where are they? Where are they from? They're from Russia. They're from Russia. They aren't from Brazil. They aren't from. They aren't from Brazil. Are you in the park? Are you in the park? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Where are they? Where are they? They're in the park. They're in the park. Are you tired? Are you tired? No, we aren't. No, we aren't. We aren't at the doctor's. We aren't. We aren't at the doctor's. How are you? How are you? We're hot. We're hot. Are you managers? Are you? Are you managers? Yes, we are. Yes. We. Yes, we are. They aren't musicians. They aren't. They aren't musicians. Where is he? Where is? Where is he? He's at work. He. He's. He's at work. Is he a dentist? Is. He. Is he a dentist? No, he isn't. No. He. No, he isn't. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not. I'm not a lawyer. Where are you from? Where are you? Where are you from? We're from Mexico. We're from. We're from Mexico. Are they nurses? Are they? Are they nurses? Yes, they are. Yes. They. Yes, they are. How are they? How are? How are they? They're tired. They're tired. She isn't okay. She isn't. She isn't okay. Is he at work? Is he? Is he at work? No, he isn't. No. He. No, he isn't. Where are you? Where are? Where are you? We're in the park. We're in the park. Are you from Spain? Are you from? Are you from Spain? Yes, I am. Yes, yes, I am. I'm not from the UK. I'm not from. I'm not from the UK. How is she? How is? How is she? She's happy. She's happy. Are you bored? Are you bored? No, I'm not. No, no, I'm not. We aren't students. We aren't. We aren't students. Where is he from? Where is he? Where is he from? He's from Mexico. He's from from? He's from Mexico. She isn't a sales clerk. She isn't. She isn't a sales clerk.